Hello everyone, welcome to Design First YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to make simple web page design in Figma. So let's start. First, open your Figma and create a new file. Then rename it to the Kimbap shop web page design. Select the frame tool and select from presentation slide 1. Then select the shape tool and create a rectangle of width 960 and height 1080. Now arrange it properly. Then change the color into white. Now change the color of frame. Now bring the icon from the asset. So what is asset? Asset is what we use normally in videos like icon images. You can download it through link in the description. I have it in my desktop. So let's drag it. Also make sure to do group from frame. Bring the image and set it properly. Now again bring the icons. Align it within the frame. Now select text tool and type foodie. Change the font into Arial rounded empty bold and size 38. Now arrange it properly. Then again select text tool and type menu and change the size into 25. Now arrange it properly. Duplicate it by Ctrl D and retype it and do the same with others. Also change the color through color dropper. Again select text tool and type dummy text. Then change the font size into 24 and also change the color. Now align it properly. Now select the pen tool and create a horizontal line. Then change the color and increase the stroke into 2 and align it properly. Again select the text tool and type any dummy text. Now change the text size into 75. Then again select the ellipse tool, create an ellipse. Now remove the fill and add a stroke and change the color into white. Now arrange the ellipse according to the text. Now again select the text tool and type any dummy text. Now change the font size into 20 and character spacing 33. Now change the color. Now align it properly. Now select rectangle tool and create a rectangle of width 262 and height 77. Now curve all the edges and change the color into linear. Set it properly. Then select first and change the color. Also do the same with the second one. Change it. Make sure the opacity is 100. Now select the text tool and type order now. Change the font size into 24 and change the color into white. Now align it within the box. So this is the final preview of our design. If you have any queries or feedback, you can comment down, and do like, share and subscribe.